Hey guys, this is Miranda at Family Fun Hobbies with you for the Lorcana Rise of the Floodborn box opening. This is my first ever box opening video, so please be nice to me. I'm sure Rob is very sad that he can't be here to do this because he loves Disney. I'm sure you all know. He's in the hospital, however, so give him some well wishes, alright? And without further ado, let's crack this baby open. Oh, they put tape on it this time. That's new. I don't think they had tape on it last time. Alright. So at first glance, it looks like our pack art, we have the Beast, and the Queen of Hearts, and Raya from Raya and the Last Dragon. So they're incorporating some new and old. Let's see. So our first rare is Gruesome and Grim, and then we also have Basil, and Nana, which is a foil. Alright. And for our next pack, we have the Queen of Hearts, Flynn Rider, personal favorite of mine, and our foil Donald Duck. Alright, pack number 3, we have Lumiere from Beauty and the Beast, Strength of a Raging Fire, one of our best songs, and Tiana from Princess and the Frog. All of these cards, by the way, will be available on our TCG Player portal. You can find that by going to familyfunhobbies.com, and on the top banner you scroll over and find TCG singles. You click that and it'll take you right to the Family Fun Hobbies TCG portal. Next pack, we have Cobra Bubbles. I actually just watched Lilo and Stitch the other day, so that's funny. Falling Down the Rabbit Hole. And another Gruesome and Grim, but this one is foil, nice and shiny. Alright, no more Butterfingers. I'm gonna try and get into a groove here. Alright. We have the Grand Duke from Cinderella, beautiful Tiana, and Eli LaBeouf, which I'm wondering now, is that supposed to be like Shia LaBeouf joke? Alright. Now we have Little John, Yzma, scary beyond all reason, and a foil Pinocchio. Alright, so in this one we have another Raya, we have Peter Pan's Shadow, and a foil Happy from Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, which I'm very surprised wasn't in the first set, considering it was one of the first Disney movies. But I'm glad to see it made an appearance in Rise of the Floodborn. Alright. We have Pinocchio, Sisu, the Divine Water Dragon, and another foil Tiana. By the way, for those of you who were not aware, we are doing a launch event for Lorcana Rise of the Floodborn this Friday at 6 o'clock. It is going to be $60. That comes out to $10 per pack. You get 6 sealed packs, and you will make a deck out of those. In this pack, we have Merlin, Gaston, and what did you call me? Alright, now we have the Queen, the Cheshire Cat from Alice in Wonderland, and a foil Gaston. Alright, in this pack we have Hiram Flaversham. Apologies if I'm mispronouncing that. I don't think I've ever seen this movie. Shere Khan. And a foil owl from Winnie the Pooh. Alright. In this pack we have another Honest John. Dr. Facilier making a comeback from the first chapter. And a very cute I'm Stuck, which I just love the art on this. I think it's really cute. Alright. We have a weight set with the flavor text saying, personally endorsed by Hercules himself. Grand Pabby. And Bounce, which I'm sure Rob would be crying if he saw this card right now. Alright, in this pack we have the Beast. We have everybody's favorite fairy godmother. And another Honest John, but this time foil edition. We are making our way through this box. Leave a comment down below and tell us your favorite Disney character or your favorite Disney movie. Or just leave a comment because you like us. Now we have Hercules. We have the Beast. And a foil You Can Fly. Additionally, aside from this coming Friday, which is going to be our release event for Lorcana Rise of the Floodborn, we also have casual Lorcana League play on Fridays. You can check out our website, familyfunhobbies.com, for more information on that. We have a pretty good crowd that comes out every Friday for Lorcana. Alright, in this next pack we have Pete, the bad guy, Mrs. Judson, and a foil Hold Still. Alright, moving on along, we have Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo, Christopher Robin, and a foil Magic Broom. This pack gave me some trouble. Maybe there's something good in there that doesn't want to come out. Alright, we have Teeth and Ambitions. And we have Cogsworth. And a foil Dopey. Still holding out hope for a legendary. Or not, well, an enchanted. I'm sorry, that's like the highest rarity, right? I'm getting a nod from behind the camera. Alright, we have Maurice's Workshop, Merlin, the Shapeshifter, and Tigger, one of a kind, nice and shiny. Alright, we have a Cinderella. Ooh, okay, here we go. This one is a legendary, Snow White. And a foil Falling Down the Rabbit Hole. Ooh, okay, here we go. I really like the art on this Mulan card. This is very pretty. And then we have the Huntsman. And a foil rabbit. Alright, we have Ratigan's Marvelous Trap. We have Arthur, Wizard's Apprentice. And a foil Namari. Okay, Perplexing Signposts, another Namari, and a foil Fairy Godmother. And now we are down to our very last pack in this box. Let's see what's inside. We have a Minnie Mouse Wide-Eyed Diver, a Mickey Mouse, and a foil Cobra Bubbles. So no enchanted cards in this box, but I'm holding out hope that we'll find one here at Family Fun Hobbies. So if you'd like to get your hands on some Disney Lorcana, come on down to Family Fun Hobbies. We're located at 3100 Quaker Bridge Road in Hamilton, New Jersey, right next to the Robert Wood Johnson Gym. We hope to see you there.